Aloha, this is Harry again from Kailua. Let's venture and learn every dominant 7th chord for the guitar and the baritone ukulele today. Okay, here's our close-up. Okay, so let's learn all the shapes for the dominant 7th chords for your baritone ukulele and guitar at the same time. So there's 3 different ways to do A7. Chords that have numbers in them have more than 3 notes. So we'll do other shows where I'll teach you how chords are constructed on any instrument. But anyway, here's one way to do A7 with those fingers, but again, you can choose any finger you want because that becomes A sharp 7 and so forth, okay? But here's the other A7. You could add this baby finger here and that's still A7. Why? Because if it's open, this is an E, same as this note E. But if I put my baby finger there, that's a G, which is the same as this open G. So it's the same notes. You can use any fingers you want. They move up. So that's A7 number 1, A7 number 2. And because now I have 2 G's there, I can cover this one back up, and that's now an A, same as this. So I could hold it like this, like a lot of blues players. So you got 1 A7, 2 A7, 3 A7 in the same spot. Okay, that's one shape, we could say. Okay, here's your regular B7. Real handy chord, like if you play blues and E. Okay, that's B7. And actually, if you move it up, this actually becomes your C7 chord. And if you play just the inside 4 strings and you slide up, that's C sharp 7, D flat 7, here's a D7, D sharp 7, C sharp, no, D sharp 7, sorry, E7. Now you can use the outside 2 E's for, let's see, what songs? Just 17, or CCR. But just a handy shape, moves all the way up. Okay, that's your C7 shape. Okay, here's your regular D7 chord. So this is D7 still, move it up, that's D sharp 7, E flat 7, E7. If I cover this string and strum all, that's still E7. But if I move up, then I don't cover those and I just play F7 and so forth. Okay, that's your D7 shape. Now E7, like the A7, there's 3 different ones. This is regular E7. If I add my baby finger or ring finger, my ring finger doesn't reach, let's put baby finger there. This B becomes a D, same as that, so that's E7. And now I have 2 Ds, so I'm going to move this ring finger there, and that's the other E7. So there's E7 number 1, E7 number 2, and E7 number 3. Okay, and they can move all the way up. Okay, next shape, F7. This is a good finger stretcher because you got 1 finger to a fret. This one has no open strings, so it can just easily be moved up. And as you move up, it'll get easier to play because it gets closer. F sharp 7, G flat 7, G7, G sharp 7, A flat 7. Here's A7, and now you have your open A there, so it's an A7. So it goes all the way up, handy shape. And then lo and behold, the last one, G7. There's 3 different ones, just like the A and the E7. Here's G7 number 1. Put your baby finger there on the 3rd fret. Now you have 2 Fs now. This is the one that you hear in Hawaiian music, like. Oops. So it's handy to have that little F there in the 4th string. Okay, so and then you got this one, where you use the low F there, but you have a high G there. So you have 3 different G7s. You got G7 number 1, G7 number 2, and G7 number 3. Okay, so have fun studying all those shapes and check back and we'll give you more stuff.